What's up, everybody? How you doing? Hope you have a great day, a great week, and a great year so far. Enjoy this drive from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. I'm currently on the Portage Avenue today, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful out here. And now let me go. I'm taking a little view cruise down Portage. And by cruise, I mean I'm not even moving at the speed of a frozen turtle. It's messy out here, guys. We have got fresh snow, slick roads, and everyone is trying to remember how to drive all over again. It's that time of the year where the lines on the road are just suggestions, and we're kind of guessing where the lanes are supposed to be. You know, people always say about Winnipeg, oh, don't worry, it's a dry cold, and I always think, yeah, it's a dry cold indeed. But cars are currently frozen right now. Anyways, if you don't have winter tires yet, today is probably not the day to be out here testing your luck on Portage. Don't do that. Look at those snowbank buildings on the left hand side there. Yeah, there, where the car is going. Those could get taller than cars in a jiffy. Like, it could literally get very tall. It's like driving through a tunnel. You have to love the winter here, guys. It just keeps getting interesting. Anyways. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, feel free to check out all the playlists for more videos, fun drives, and other things in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And like I will say, hope you're having a great day, a great week, and a great year so far. Thank you. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye. A few hours earlier.